Hey guys, David Patrick Green here with your household tip of the day, or of the however long it takes me to come up with the next one. Have you guys ever experienced having a wobbly bar stool? Because I've actually got a wobbly bar stool right now, and if you have a wobbly bar stool, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, let's take a look at the stool itself. As you can see, this is a set of 3 very nice bar stools. They were actually in the $1,000 range a piece, so very high end. Of course, I would never pay that amount, so they were purchased from someone who didn't need them. But as you can see, one of them is very wobbly, okay? And you're looking at it and you don't see how you're gonna fix this. So here's how. What you're gonna do is flip the chair upside down, and we're gonna look on the underside. So be right back with you in a second. Okay, here we are on the flip side. Should have said catch you on the flip side before. But as you can see, on the bottom of the bar stool are 3 hex bolts. And they're also known as, well, they're Allen bolts, and they are tightened with an Allen key. And I've just got the chair resting on its back, so it's pretty stable. And you can see these are the things that hold the chair tight. So all we're going to do is tighten those 3 hex bolts. Now, in case you don't know what hex keys or Allen keys look like, this is what they look like. I got this pack at one of those dollar stores, so it literally cost $1 for an entire set. There's a couple of them missing, and all you do is you fit the one that fits in your hole and start tightening. So as you can see, took about a quarter turn there, another quarter turn there. That one's a little looser, quite a bit, quite loose actually. You don't need to really crank them. You don't want to strip the bolt. Just basically hand tighten them. And we're done. I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, as you can see, we're back. And this chair no longer wobbles. So that's it, guys. If you have loose bar stools, one of the things you want to check is the bottom side where there are likely bolts, and just tighten those bolts and your bar stool is good as new. Well guys, I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna create, I have acting tips, and now I have household tips, and pretty soon I'm gonna start doing exercise tips. So like it, give me a question or comment if there's something you have a question about. I have an enormous number of experiences in my life. I've traveled the world, I've done all kinds of different things. So if there's something you want to know, ask me. Maybe I can help you with it. I'll talk to you soon.